Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a millet recipe today. I've made Bajra Khichdi, which is pearl millet khichdi. Now this khichdi is a good option for a light dinner. It contains a lot of protein because Bajra as well as moong dal, which we use in this recipe, has a lot of protein. And Bajra helps in managing diabetes, cholesterol, PCOD, etc. So this is definitely a healthy recipe that you can try out. For more such millet recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell. So let's move on to the video. So in a pressure pan, I've placed it on medium-high heat. I've got bajra which I've soaked overnight and some moong dal which I've roasted and then washed nicely and drained. Add this to the pressure cooker along with your choice of veggies. I've added potato, beans, carrot and green peas. Now I'm going to add water for this. I've added 4 cups of water and I'm going to add some salt to taste and turmeric. Mix everything together and then we are going to pressure cook this on medium-high flame for 4 to 5 whistles. So once the pressure has released, I've opened the cooker. You can see the bajra and the moong dal is cooked. I'm just going to mash everything nicely. This will be a little watery. Leave it that way because once it cools down, bajra tends to thicken. So now we have to prepare the tadka for this. Before that, I'm adding a teaspoon of ghee to this. Ghee is essential for millets because it helps with the digestion. So now let's make the tadka. So in a pan, I've added some oil and I'm going to add some mustard and cumin seeds to this. And let them splutter. And once that splutters, I'm going to add some asafoetida to this. You can stop at this tadka, add it to the millet and use it, but I'm going to make it a little masaledar. So I've got some onions in here, which I've chopped finely. I'm going to saute the onions until they soften. Then add green chilli and ginger garlic paste to it. Cook it out till the ginger garlic paste loses its raw smell. Then we'll add in the powders, which is coriander powder, turmeric and red chili powder. Cook out the masalas. Then it's time to add the chopped tomato. Mix everything together and we're going to cook this until the tomato softens nicely. Before that, we'll have to add some salt to taste to the masala. Now I'm going to cook everything nicely until the tomato softens and the oil oozes out. Mix everything well. Add some lime juice to it and switch off the flame. So I'm going to just mix everything together. And we're going to add the tadka on top of the khichdi. Now mix everything together and make sure you have this really hot with some papad, curd and pickle. This is a yummy, delicious, light dinner which you can have and it's healthy too. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with more such recipes. Until then, bye-bye.